Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. J.R. Fisher here, and I'm in Scripps Ranch, which is really just north of San Diego, my neighborhood here, and I'm just leaving the Starbucks. And I wanted to talk to you about if you should work weekends or not. You know, this video is not for everybody. So the people it's not for, I'm going to tell you who you are right now. And that way you can go ahead and just stop the video. That way you don't have to watch it because it's not for you. This is not for people who don't want to work weekends and are happy with their situation. Okay, so if you're in a job or you're doing whatever you're doing and you don't want to work weekends and you're happy with exactly where you're at, turn off the video. Don't watch it, okay? This is for people who are unhappy with their situation, and that could be money, it could be, you know, their job, it could be any number of those things, and they don't know if they should work weekends or not. Now, I will tell you that I work every weekend, so you know that's going to turn some people off. They're going to go, well, I don't want to work every weekend. Why would I want to do that? This video is not for you. Okay, it's not for you. You know, and if you have a religious thing, you know, some people say, well, you know, Sunday's my Sabbath or Saturday's my worship day. And that's cool, and I get that. You know, that's cool. Take that day off. You know, if you're Christian, it says, you know, 6 and 1, right? Work 6, take off 1. Now, somehow, our society has morphed it into 5 and 2, right? Work 5 days, get off 2. And, you know, maybe he was so busy at the time when he came up with 6 and 1, he just couldn't think of 5 and 2. I don't know. Probably not. Probably supposed to be 6 and 1. But the point is, should you work weekends? And the answer is yes. And if you're looking at getting some training on how to start a business or, you know, how to make some money online or whatever, and the person in the video is constantly bombarding you with, hey, work 2 hours a day and make $1 million. You know, work 3 days a week and make millions of dollars. Look at my fancy house. Look at my car. If they're sending that message, the people they're speaking to are people who want something for nothing. That's exactly who their audience is, okay? I don't speak to that audience. Now, the only thing I may do in a video is show you that I'm working in a different place. You know, maybe it's a Starbucks or something like that. But I'm never going to tell you that you can work 5 and 2. You can, you know, work 5 days, take 2 days off. I don't know how to do it. I haven't figured it out. And, you know, well, you know, at some point, maybe you've got enough money and you just don't want any more money and you don't, you know, you want to do 5 and 2. I get that. But if you don't have what you want, and I don't have what I want more, you know, so all of my messages speak to the fact that you got to work a lot. And that turns off a lot of people because they just don't want to work a lot. You know, that's not what they want to do. And I get that, but I'm here to tell you that's the way you're going to have to do it. Now, there could be some really exceptional people. They're super smart and they know everything and they can just knock it out in 5 days. I'm not that person. I've got to, you know, put in more hours and try more things and do more stuff, and you know, it's just required for me, okay? And it is required for the average person too. So here's the audience I speak to. I speak to the average person who understands they need to put in more effort to get more results, because pretty much most successful people are going to tell you that. They're, you know, and if they're telling you that you only got to work 4 hours a week, you're going to make $1 million, those people are not trying to get you results. What they're trying to do is get your money. They're trying to get you to buy into a lifestyle of no work and all money and fun and play, and man, it's not there. I don't know how they do that. The audience I'm speaking to, my goal is not to get your money, it's to get your results. Because I'm going to tell you the truth, okay? So which means it's going to cost me some money. Because those people who just wanted to say, hey, here's some money, tell me how to get rich quick, you know, I'll never get their money. You know, it'll never happen. They're never going to buy one of my courses. You know, they're just not going to do it because that's not the message I'm sending. And those are the kind of people you attract with those videos. You know, the ones that say, hey, you know, work 30 minutes a day and you're going to get rich. You know, you're going to attract those people who want something for nothing. I don't want those people. I don't want their money. Okay, I want the people that want to work hard because I want to see the people get results. So that's the goal I'm going after. I'm going after people who want to get real results, who understand that they're going to have to do more than the average person to get more than average results. And I know that kind of sounds like common sense, but people don't get that. and they buy into the guy standing in front of the mansion with the, you know, fancy rented car, telling you that, you know, he's done all this in, you know, 3 weeks and he's made millions of dollars. So yeah, so there's your answer. You got to work weekends. You do. It's the way it is. You know, I just finished at Starbucks and did a little bit of worked in my group a little bit. And by the way, I'm going to put a link down there to my group. So if you want to join my group, and my group is about e-commerce and it's selling stuff online, okay? If you want to do that, then that would be the group for you. And all you got to do is click on the link. There's 3 simple questions there. You know, you got to abide by our rules and so forth. And the last question is, you know, you can put in your email and I'll send you some free training. If you don't want to do that, don't do it. You don't have to do that. The other 2 questions you do have to answer. We were like at 150, 160 people in that group in January. And we're well over 800 now, and we're probably hit 10,000 this year. And the reason for that is the group itself. We share real ideas and, you know, real solutions to problems, and people post ads and questions about e-commerce and Shopify and WordPress and all that. And we're there to help you get results. And how much does a group cost? It's free. Free is pretty cheap. You know, but if you join it, please participate, you know, help people out. You know, if you can't help them, maybe they can help you. But all you do is click on that link there. So now I'm off to, and just kind of let you know what a Saturday looks like. My wife's taking care of the animals and cleaning up and doing all that because she's got some pets. We have some pets, excuse me. And she's taking care of all that. So I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to get a good workout in. I've already done a little bit of work. Got up at like 6:30 this morning. Got some work done at Starbucks, and then I'm going to head back to the house or my office, either one. May end up at the office today. I don't know. And get some work done. Got a book I'm finishing. And if you're interested in that, you can put a comment down there or send me a private message. It's called Internet Empire. And it's really cool. It's all about e-commerce and how to make money online, and kind of tells the story of our business and everything. So that's going to be available soon. So I got to go back and work on that. I'm working on chapter 14 for the past week. 1 chapter for the past week, right? And then I want to doctor the other chapters up a little bit, you know, to a little story in there to keep people's interest. Don't want to have just pure information. So anyhow, so if you're thinking that you want to improve your situation, the first thing I would tell you is you're going to have to do some stuff that the average person isn't doing. And the first place to start is you're going to work weekends. This doesn't mean you've got to get up at 6:30 like I did today and work until 10 o'clock at night. Not that I'm doing that. But it means you're going to have to do some. You've got to do some extra effort that the average person isn't doing. I mean, it's just, this is common sense, okay? Don't buy the course for $19.99 that tells you that you can work 4 hours a week and make $1 million. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You know, I just start lining up those people on one side that worked like no hours and made millions of dollars, and then line up the people on the other side that made millions of dollars that worked a lot. And I can tell you which line is going to be longer. I promise you, I know which line is going to be longer. So anyhow, that's my 2 cents for today. I'm pulling up at the gym now over at LA Fitness. Gonna get a little workout in and then go back and do a little bit of work, and I'll probably take off this evening. I'm sure I will. I don't want to make this video too long, which is probably too late anyhow. When you do take time off, stop and think about what you're doing with your time. You know, just what are you doing with your time? If you're just planting yourself down in front of the TV and, you know, clicking through the channels and you can't find anything decent to watch, you're wasting your downtime anyhow. You're not doing anything with it. I mean, you might as well put in a little bit of work, something that's going to get you some results. But I see that all the time. People, you know, take time off, the weekends or whatever. They don't even have anything to do. You know, there's nothing they even want to do. So, you know, why not go ahead and get a little bit of work done and make some money? Why not? You know, you don't have to work all day, every day, but you're going to have to work more than the average person. Sorry. I probably lost those people that don't care about working weekends in the very beginning when I told them to get off, but that's the way it is. So anyhow, heading over to the gym. Don't want to go to the gym, by the way. I don't want to go, you know. People say, well, I hate working out. Yeah, no kidding. Most people do, but you got to do it to stay healthy. So heading over to the gym. You guys have a great day, and feel free to comment or PM me below. Click on that link, join the group, and I'll see you there.